Hey everyone, welcome back to Cashflow Builders. If you're looking to dive into the world of cryptocurrency investment, you've come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down everything you need to know about investing in Bitcoin and other cryptos. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete newbie, this guide will help you navigate your crypto journey with confidence. Before you start investing, it's crucial to understand what cryptocurrencies are. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. The blockchain is a public ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized nature means that no single entity or government controls the currency, making it both transparent and resistant to manipulation. Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrency works. Most cryptocurrencies use blockchain technology, which is essentially a chain of blocks where each block contains transaction data. When a transaction occurs, it's verified by a network of computers known as nodes. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block and then appended to the blockchain. This process ensures the integrity and security of the data. There are thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, but here are a few of the most prominent ones you might have heard of. Bitcoin, BTC, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, often referred to as digital gold. It was created by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Ethereum, ETH, known for its smart contract functionality, which allows developers to build decentralized applications on its blockchain. Binance Coin, BNB, originally created as a utility token for the Binance Exchange, it's now used for a variety of applications, including transaction fees and staking. Cardano, ADA, a blockchain platform that aims to provide a more secure and scalable infrastructure for decentralized applications and smart contracts. Cryptocurrency offers exciting opportunities but comes with its own set of challenges. By understanding the fundamentals and being aware of the risks, you can make more informed decisions and potentially benefit from this innovative space. Simply put, cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. The most well-known is Bitcoin, but there are thousands of other cryptocurrencies with various uses and technologies. Bitcoin, the pioneer of digital currencies, is often seen as digital gold. Meanwhile, altcoins like Ethereum, Binance Coin, and Cardano offer different functionalities and technological advancements. Familiarize yourself with these to make informed investment choices. The next step is choosing a cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you'll buy, sell, and trade your digital assets. Some popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Look for exchanges with strong security features, user-friendly interfaces, and a good reputation. Ensure the exchange you choose supports the cryptocurrencies you're interested in. Also, check for fees associated with trading and withdrawing funds. Now that you've chosen an exchange, you'll need a cryptocurrency wallet to store your assets securely. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are convenient for frequent trading. Cold wallets, like hardware wallets, are offline and provide higher security. Consider using a cold wallet for storing large amounts of cryptocurrency. With your exchange and wallet set up, it's time to fund your account. Most exchanges allow you to deposit funds using traditional methods like bank transfers or credit cards. Ensure you understand the deposit fees and processing times. Once your account is funded, you can start purchasing cryptocurrencies. Now comes the exciting part: buying your cryptocurrencies. On your chosen exchange, navigate to the trading section. You'll be able to select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and place an order. You can choose between different order types, like market orders, which buy at the current price, or limit orders, which buy when the price reaches a certain level. Review your order details carefully before confirming. After purchasing, it's essential to monitor and manage your investments. Cryptocurrency markets are highly volatile, so staying informed about market trends and news is crucial. consider setting up alerts for price changes and news that might affect your investments. Regularly review your portfolio and make adjustments based on your investment goals. Security is paramount in the world of cryptocurrency. Enable two-factor authentication on your exchange account and wallet. Be cautious of phishing scams and only use reputable sources for information. Regularly back up your wallet and keep your private keys safe. If you're using a cold wallet, store it in a secure location. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. By following these steps and staying informed, you'll be well on your way to navigating the crypto world with confidence. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Cashflow Builders, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Got questions or comments? Drop them below, we'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep building that cash flow and stay savvy with your investments.